Hello everyone, I'm Saurav Shishdaran, working as Customer Success Manager for ARC Advocacy Group India. In this session, I'll be joining again with Mr. Karthik to discuss on his second published study, Asset Integrity Management or AIM. As discussed in my previous videos, we will cover the context like scope of the market, supply landscape, key strategies, factors, trends, etc. So let me welcome Karthik to join the session. Hello Karthik.
Hi, Saurabh. Thank you.
Yeah, Karthik. So my first question to you is to know the scope of the study, asset integrity management. So please explain on
Sure. Asset integrity management refers to the software and services utilized in systematic and coordinated activities to ensure the availability of critical assets and systems while protecting health, safety, and the environment. Asset integrity management initiatives focuses on managing the capability of an asset to perform its required action throughout the asset's lifecycle. And this report ensures a study across all the regions covering APAC, EMEA, Latin America, and North America. And the key industries covered in these reports are oil and gas, chemical, pharmaceuticals, and others.
that. Right. Thank you, Karthik. Our audience also would like to know few suppliers from this market. So can you please expand on that?
Thank you, Saurabh. Thanks for the question. I would like to name out few suppliers: ABS Group, Accurant, Baker Hughes, Oceaneering. These are some of the suppliers, and along with this, others are also covered in the report.
Right. Can you brief on the key growth factors or the success factors from this?
Sure, Saurabh. That's quite an interesting question. Asset integrity management is picking up in last couple of years owing to regulatory compliance and stringent regulations, especially in the European region. Further, one more growth and success factor would be the rapid industrialization, urbanization, and smart city projects, which are driving huge demand for this particular software.
Right. Like you mentioned about the growth factors, are there any inhibiting factors that we would like to share with the audience?
Definitely, Saurabh. Coming to the inhibiting factors, this particular market face challenges such as high installation costs, complex integration, and few legacy system integration as well. It requires a skilled professional to integrate with the legacy system and also ensure data accuracy and integrity.
Thank you, Karthik, for explaining both the factors. Next question to you is to know about the strategies that you would recommend for the buyers of the system.
Sure, Saurabh. Coming to the strategies, as a buyer, one should invest in SaaS-based solutions for better flexibility and scalability, prioritize robust management capabilities to ensure accuracy, utilize advanced analytics and AI-driven insights, to have predictive maintenance and optimization. Yeah, and again, maintaining regulatory compliance irrespective of the region.
Right. Would you like to add any other market trends or points to this?
Sure, Saurabh. One key interesting trend I would like to add is like the growing demand for energy, fueled by the expansion of oil and gas industry and power sector, is creating a significant opportunities for asset integrity management market. As effective asset management becomes essential to ensure safety, compliance, and efficiency. Simultaneously, aging infrastructure in asset-heavy industry highlights the critical need for robust maintenance practices to address wear and tear, reduce safety risks, and prevent costly disruptions.
Right. Thank you, Karthik. Lastly, like the most important question for our audience, from our audience, will be how they can be benefited from this report, and specifically from our supplier, asset owners, and service provider side. So please brief on that also.
Okay, sure. From for suppliers, again, it's they gain strategic insights, competitive insights. More in-depth knowledge of the competitive landscape, who are all the players, and how's their positioning in the market across each region. And for asset owners, it's basically the strategies on improving their assets and ensure better integration of this particular software. And for service provider, it sheds more light on how the solution has to be specific and catered to buyer's needs.
Right. Thank you, Karthik. Thank you so much for explaining your views on the study as integrity management. Also, I guess our audience would have got a clear picture on this report. To know more about ARC and the reports we do, I request our audience to visit our website, www.arcweb.com. You can also fill in the contact form to reach to us directly. Once again, thank you, Karthik, for joining, and thanks to the audience for being part of the video.